how to set up AI automation with Zapier. Zapier is a great tool for setting up AI automations. You can use different kind of AI platforms to start making your new AI agent. Firstly, sign up or log into your account. Then create your password or enter your password. And then it will ask you some simple question. Just answer accordingly. Once the main homepage opens, it will look like this. You will see a section called Start from Scratch. You can use that, or on the left you will see the Create option. It's a big orange button. Click on the Create option to open a blank sheet. Once in the sheet, you will see the template. There's the Trigger option and Action. Now trigger is when something happens. It could be a notification, some sound, or some message. And after that, some action will happen. In the action, you will need to choose AI tools for what will happen. You can also add other actions, and by combining various actions and AI tools, you can make your own AI automation. That's all for today. Thank you.